Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friends. Now I'm going to talk about of my skewer of fruits. The ingredients are honey, apples, and bananas. And the instruments that you need to prepare are a knife, cutting board, plate, and a wooden skewers. Don't worry, it is easy to get. First, wash your apples and your bananas. Okay, I will do it now and I return in a second. Okay, I return. Then peel the banana and chop it. After that, put in a plate. Next, cut the apple in a half and chop it then. Okay, next put it in a plate, in the same plate. Okay, after that, select one wooden skewer and then put your fruits in there. I think that is a delicious recipe. Okay, now you have your skewer of fruits. Then open your honey and add some honey. Okay, finally, enjoy it. It is a delicious recipe. Okay, this recipe is healthy because bananas have potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, all of them important to protect the brain. And the apples have minerals and vitamins, all of them important to protect the heart. The honey is healthy because it has a sweet taste, but it doesn't have sugar. Because it's an easy snack to prepare, and especially if you have a break or a recess, and it's not difficult to prepare it. No, absolutely. The cost of one apple is approximately 20 cents. The cost of one banana is approximately 10 cents, and the cost of the half of liter of honey is $3 approximately. It's a cheap recipe. I recommend this recipe because it's cheap and you can find your ingredients in many places. I think it's delicious and you can prepare in especially occasions with your friends, with your parents. And if you want to prepare this recipe, please enjoy it. Goodbye.